question 46. We have a question that basically asks, how does an unconformity form in these outcrops B and C? And you can see the unconformities in the picture up above. If you look, those are the squiggly lines that are there. They basically just represent a gap in geologic time caused by weathering and erosion. Now that kind of does eliminate some of the answers here, because number 1 and number 4 don't include any information about weathering and erosion, but numbers 2 and 3 do. So we kind of have to decide between those ones. Now, just recognize that sandstone, in order to weather sandstone, like here's my sandstone layer, it has to be exposed to the elements. It has to be exposed to the weather, right? That's how weathering happens. And so you have to basically take it from out of its marine environment, underwater, which is where it formed, so that it's above water, and now it's exposed to the normal weather and wear and tear of the surface. Okay, so it's got to be exposed. Now, in order to do that, we have to lift it from below water up above water. So we have to lift it up. And that kind of gives us an indication that uplift has to happen first, and then it's exposed to the elements, and then all that weathering and erosion is going to carry some of this surface away, and it's going to get all kind of chewed up and weathered, and that's why it's kind of that squiggly look to it. So the answer to this question basically is number 2, weathering and erosion, uplift and then erosion, and then you have maybe something deposit on top of it, so you have another layer of stuff that forms on top of that. And so the answer is number 2.